renowned ground beef recipe that has conquered the world. In a bowl, I add 1 kilo of ground beef, 1 grated carrot, 2 grated potatoes, 1 grated onion, 1 diced red bell pepper, 2 eggs, chopped parsley to taste, 3 grated cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and mix everything really well. After mixing everything well, we shape it into round meatballs. Next step, place the meatballs inside the mold. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching from, so I can send you a special shout-out. Today's shout-out goes to Rachel Owens from Tampa, Florida. I'm really glad you're enjoying our recipes. Here we have 200 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. I add it to the mold. Then place 2 sliced pickles, 2 sliced peppers, and cover with the remaining cheese. Tell me how you make ground beef at home. I'd love to know your recipe. Make this recipe at home and come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure your whole family will love it. With this mold, we press the meatballs in the other mold. I'll bake the cheese for 15 minutes at 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we flip the meatballs and make small cavities in them with a spoon. After that, I bake everything at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now let's assemble everything. I take the cheese patties, add a leaf of lettuce, a slice of tomato, the meatball, the sauce we prepared with mayonnaise, ketchup, and hot sauce, and finally close with another cheese patty. It becomes the perfect appetizer to serve guests. Everyone will be impressed.